Have you ever walked into an old train station and felt like it wasn't built for people like us? The ceilings stretch like the sky. The doors are towering walls of wood and iron. The stone pillars could hold up mountains. Everything feels too large, too perfect, too old. Tonight, we open a file history tried to delete. We explore the possibility that the world's railways were not designed by ordinary humans at all, but by giants. Giants who built, connected, and shaped continents, and then vanished without a trace. Look around the world. Antwerp, Mumbai CST, Sao Bento, Philadelphia. Stations with arches taller than trees, stone blocks weighing dozens of tons, each cut and placed with machine-level precision, long before machines existed. No blueprints, no progress photos, only the finished monuments, as if they weren't constructed, but discovered. Maybe we didn't build them. Maybe we inherited them. Railways run through mountains where no towns existed. Bridges span gorges nobody lived near. Tunnels dig miles through rock with impossible symmetry. Why build railways where humans never were? Unless the railways came first, and civilization grew around them later. Imagine workers in the 1800s not building railways, but repairing something ancient. Their diaries whisper, "We replaced the old tracks with our own." The stones were already here. The tunnels were impossible to move. We don't see the original builders because they were never meant to remain in history. Every continent tells the same rumor. Giants. Skeletons too long for coffins. Footprints deep enough to pool rainwater. Tools so large no human today could lift them. Museums hide them. Reports disappear. The past collapses into silence. Who erased them? A natural disaster. Assimilation into smaller humans, or something far more unsettling, a civilization powerful enough to rewrite